welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, we are diving into a Juvia's Place mystery box. This mystery box was just delivered and I'm super curious to know what's inside of this box because it's only $13 for it. That's it. There's supposed to be $50 worth of products inside of it and it just showed up. So we're gonna open it up today. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I will be posting a link down below for you. Not only is that link going to give you this box for $13, but I also have a discount code, and my code will save you 30% off on top of it. So it's a really good deal. I mean, it's a steal. If you guys have been following me over on my community page here on YouTube, I posted about this deal a few days ago. That way you could try to get it before it sells out. I'm hoping by the time this video goes up that it's still in stock for you. But I'm gonna open mine up and we're gonna see what's inside. Now, I am not sure if we are all receiving the same items or not. It doesn't say if you will or if they'll be different. So if you do buy this box, could you comment down below and let me know if we have the same boxes or not? Because I'm not sure how that's gonna work or not. But this is what it looks like for me. First item that I have on top here is the liquid lipstick. This is part of the I Live, I Love collection that they created, and the shade name is C'est La Vie. This is a cruelty-free brand, and this lipstick says that it's lightweight, non-tacky, and long-lasting, and it also has plant-based ingredients inside of it. Now, this collection I actually bought from it, and it came out in winter of 2022, I believe. So it is a little bit older. So I just know this from the packaging that's on here. All of it looked the same. So this is an older product, but I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. I just know it's been out for a while. So this is what it will look like here. We do have a little bit of cracking, it looks like, in the product. So it has been sitting for a little while. But I'm going to do a swatch real quick. We'll check it out and see what this looks like. Oh, look at this. That looks pink. That looks way different than what's in the bottle. But maybe it's got a pink undertone? So the applicator is really big and fuzzy. It gives a very thick coat immediately when you put it down. But do you see there is a shift right there? Like right when I turn this slightly, I can kind of see that pink magenta shift. It's not really, I mean, it's not super noticeable in there. It looks really red like this does, but you can kind of tell it's got a little pink undertone in it. Next item that I have in the box is the Midnight Blue pencil liner. This is from the Nubian collection that they created, and this is a 12-hour liner, but it looks like it is going to be in the blue color. I'm not opposed to this. So hear me out. My mom always did the navy blue eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure this was the thing in the 80s, and she grew up in the 80s. So she always did navy blue eyeliner, and it makes her eyes way more blue whenever you're looking at her. So I've kind of been on this thing lately that I'm like, I kind of want that to come back. Do you know what I mean? Like, I kind of am ready. I do lots of black eyeliner just because it stands out more, but I kind of would love to do the navy blue thing again. So I'm not opposed to having a blue liner here at all. This definitely is navy. It is a dark blue color that we have here. And I just think this would be kind of cool to bring this trend back. I don't know. I'm kind of digging it right now, you guys. Next item that I have inside of the mystery box is the Nubian Glow Lip Balm, and it is grape. So I don't know if grape is the color or if it's the scent. Maybe it's both. Who knows? But this is what the packaging looks like. Full-size product once again. They are all cruelty-free, which I love that. This features coconut oil as its main base for this lip balm. I don't know if I can smell anything. Let me see if it... Oh, it's thick. I don't smell anything. If it's supposed to be grape, I mean, it's just clear, but I don't... There's no scent to this. So I mean, if it's supposed to have a grape scent, I am not getting that. So those are the 3 full-size products, but I have another one down below. And this is where I say it gets interesting, because the email that I received said we would have 3 full-size products with a viral 4th product, like something that's went viral. So I'm guessing that's what this is. Maybe. Is that a palette? I don't know. Maybe it's a bag? No. Maybe this is a palette? Let me see. I think this is a palette. The Festival by Juvia's, a gathering 9 highly pigmented we got a palette! So there are 4 items inside of this box, which is so weird because the website only says 3. All right, all I can tell you is in my mystery box, this is the 4th item that I have here, is a full-size product. I am so excited that we got a palette in here. I wasn't expecting a palette because at $13 for a mystery box, I just assumed it would all be sticks. You know what I mean? Like liners and lip liners and things like that. I didn't think they could afford to put in a palette. So here's what the palette will look like outside of the box. And then inside, you're gonna have these gorgeous pans. Look at how large those are. Now, there is not a mirror inside of this. A lot of times this brand doesn't put a mirror inside of their palettes, which is fine. But I love how large these pans are. That is awesome. I'm also loving these colors. Like in a weird way, I get an 80s vibe out of this. I will be honest though, these colors are not matching this color story. I mean, you can kind of see it with the oranges in here, but when I look at these, especially this middle row, I just see kind of like an 80s arcade. I don't know. To me, they don't fit this palette, but maybe you can create a look with all of them together. I just need to practice. Maybe that's it. But I do like the shades that I see. I'm excited because I definitely want to work with this center rowing to create a look out of those 3. Something really bold. I think it'd be just gorgeous. Okay, this is 100% worth it. If you have not picked up a mystery box from Juvia's Place yet, I highly recommend it. 4 full-size products for $13, plus you get a discount code from me as well. I feel like this is a steal of a deal. Even if you don't love every product in this mystery box, maybe you only like 3 of the 4 items, it's still worth it. Maybe you only like 2 of the 4 items, it's still worth it. So I feel like this was a great mystery box today. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of this box, and do tell me if we got the same box or not. I would be curious if everyone is getting the same products, or are we all getting different products and I just got lucky today? I need a little bit of context there, so comment down below. Help me out with that one. But if you guys are interested, I do have that link down below with a discount code as well, and you can get your very own mystery box. But until next time, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!